Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. Yellow color, brown color, the next one is red color, black color, blue color, and the last one is green color. Now we draw and coloring numbers 1 to 20. First we use yellow color and now we draw 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. Now we draw 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Kids, now we use brown color and draw 5. Brown color. Now we draw 5. F-I-V-E, 5. The next one is 6. Now we draw 6. S-I-X, 6. Now we draw 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. The next one is 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now we draw 9. Red color, 9. N-I-N-E, 9. The next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Now we draw 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. The next one is 12. Now we draw 12. Black color. Kids, now we use black color and draw 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. And the next one is 13. The number of 13. Now we draw 14. We again use black color. The number of 14. The next one is 15. Now we draw 15. Now we draw 16. The number of 16. And the next one is 17. Blue color. Now we draw 17. The next one is 18. We again use blue color and now we draw the number of 18. Blue color. Now we draw 19. Kids, the number of 19. And the last one is 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.